बैक टू माय चैनल एंड नीता जीनी। और आज हम जानेंगे अर्थ एंड मरकरी तो हो गया था, सॉरी, अर्थ, मार्स एंड सीरीज़ के बारे में। अगर जुपिटर भी हम कैप्चर कर पाए तो फिर वो भी कर लेंगे। तो आप फिर पार्ट 3 का वेट करना, और पिछले की तरह ही अगर मैं नहीं कर पाई फिर भी आप पार्ट 3 का वेट करना। तो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। एंड मैं जा रही हूँ अभी हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के अंदर। ओके, हम डायरेक्ट अर्थ पे ही आए, ये सही है। ये देखिए यहाँ पे इंडिया पे दिन हो रहा है, एंड ये सामने हमारे सूरज, जिसके मून दिख रहा है आपको थोड़ा सा ब्लैक ब्लैक, वह उसके एकदम पास है। अभी चलते हैं इसके बारे में कुछ बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन इकट्ठा करने। इंसाइक्लोपीडिया एज यूजुअल आप पास करके इसे देख लीजिए, मैं पढ़ने लगती हूँ इसे। Our home world is the densest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets' surface. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by salt water oceans, and the remaining 30% is to make up the 7 continental land masses. Earth's outer surface is also divided into several rigid segments or tectonic plates that migrate across the surface over periods of millions of years. Axial tilt. Today, the Earth is tilted on its axis by 23.4 degrees, producing seasonal variation in climate and weather across the surface of the planet in the course of a year. The Earth's magnetic field is generated within the molten outer core region of the planet and extended outwards to form magnetosphere, a barrier surrounding Earth, deflecting particles of the solar wind and protecting the Earth from sun's radiation. ये थी अर्थ के बारे में कुछ बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन। नाउ अब हम चलते हैं इसके स्ट्रक्चर पे। क्रस्ट, solid silicate rock, mostly basalt. Mantle, solid silicate rock, outer core, liquid iron and nickel. Iron, dense solid iron and nickel. Okay, structure. Earth's crust together with the uppermost part of the mantle forms the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into series of the tectonic plates which float on a more elastic part of the upper mantle. The motion of these plates give rise to earthquake and volcanism. Mantle. The Earth's mantle is a rocky shell which accounts for 84% of the planet's volume. The very uppermost region of the mantle are the most solid and relatively rigid. Outer core. The temperature difference with the outer core drives convection currents with hot liquid metals rising, cooling, and then descending back towards the hot inner core. The convection currents powers the Earth's magnetic field. Inner core. Through the temperature in the inner core is thought to be the same as the surface of the sun. The extreme pressure prevents it from becoming liquid. बाती हो रही है तो फिर चाय पे चर्चा हो रही है, तो फिर आवाज़ आ रही होगी आपको, लेकिन कोई नहीं। अब हम चलते हैं मून पे विजिट। ओके सर, ये हमें पार्ट दिखता है हमेशा मून का। देखो अभी हम ये आपको मून एक्सप्लोर वाला जो बटन दिख रहा है उस पर देखिए, तो देखिए यही हमें पार्ट दिखता है। इसकी कितने डार्क सीज है, इसका जो डार्क पार्ट है इसमें कितने कम डार्क सीज है। मेरे को तो मोस्टली मेरे को ये वाला पार्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है और ये हमें दिखता भी है। सो या, तो अभी जानते हैं इसे एक्सप्लोर करने, इसके स्ट्रक्चर इंसाइक्लोपीडिया पे। इंसाइक्लोपीडिया पॉज करके आप देख लीजिए, मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ, बीच में ऐड आती रहती है। The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite next to the sun. The moon exerts the greatest influence on the Earth itself, most notably through its effect on the Earth's tides. Mass. The moon is the largest natural satellite relative to the size of its primary, having 27% of the diameter and 60% the density of the Earth. The Moon is larger than Pluto. Origin. The current prevailing hypothesis for the origin of the Moon is that to form as a result of Mars-sized body colliding with the newly formed proto-Earth, the material ejected from it. This impact accelerated to form the Moon 4.53 billion years ago. Observation. The Moon is the brightest object in the sky after the Sun. All through its surface is actually dark, reflecting only 7% of the light falling on it. Moon's current orbital distance causes it to appear almost the same size in the sky as the Sun. ये हमने इसके बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन मून एंड अर्थ की एंड इनके स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में जान लिया है. मतलब मून के स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में नहीं जाना, तो अभी हम मून के स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में जानते हैं. ओके, तो इसकी भी सेम ही है. अर्थ की क्रस्ट इतनी बड़ी है, मैंटल एंड चलिए अभी पढ़ते हैं. The uppermost part of the lunar crust forms broken surface layer referred to as regolith and megalogolith. Regolith comprises small rocks and dust formed by impact processes and a few meters thick. Megalogolith is a layer of highly fractured bedrock several kilometers thick which lies directly under the regolith mantle. Moon quakes have been found to occur deep within the Moon's mantle. These occur with monthly periodicity, are related to tidal stress caused by centric orbit of the Moon about the Earth. Inner core. Lunar core is small with a radius about 30% of the size of Moon. ये थी कुछ बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन इसकी. एंड नाउ हम चलते हैं ये मार्स पर. ओके, विजिट. इसकी ये छोटे छोटे मून डीमस एंड फोबोस. कहाँ गया डीमस? ये देखो, आपको दिख रहा है छोटा सा, ये फोबोस है. आप देख लीजिए इसे 2 मिनट. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. The reddish appearance of Mars' surface is caused by iron oxide rust. While the Mars is about half as big as the Earth, there are still many similarities. Mars has a rocky surface and polar ice caps. The days on Mars are only 40 minutes longer than actuated, give it similar season to our, although each lasted about twice as long surface. So, Mars has a dramatic landscape with towering volcanoes and a great canyon system. Of all the planet system, it has the highest mountain Olympus Mons and the largest canyon valleys marines. Water. There is strong evidence that the Martian atmosphere was once far denser than it is now, and that water once ran freely on its surface. There is mounting evidence that much of this water remains locked away underground. Moons. Mars has 2 small natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos, that orbit very closely to the planet. These moons may be captured asteroids. It has been predicted that in about 50 million years, Phobos will either crash into Mars' surface or broke up into ring structure around the planet. Missions. Mars is focus of intense study with 2 rovers, Exploration Rover Opportunity and Science Laboratory Curiosity, operating on the surface, while 3 international missions orbit the planet: NASA Mars Odyssey, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and ESA Mars Express. Observation. Mars can easily seen from Earth with the naked eye as it can reddish coloring. Its apparent magnitude is suppressed by the Sun and the Moon and Venus and Jupiter, but it can briefly match Jupiter's brightness at a certain point of its orbit. अभी हम डीमस एंड फोबस के बारे में जानते हैं. ओके, सो अभी हम फोबस के बारे में इंसाइक्लोपीडिया खोलते हैं. आप पॉज करके इसे पढ़ लीजिए. Phobos is the largest and the closer of the two natural satellites of Mars. It is small, irregularly shaped object close to its primary than any other known planetary moon. Proximity. Phobos is so close that it orbits Mars faster than Mars rotates. As a result, from the surface of Mars, it appears to rise and set twice each Martian day. Phobos is drawing closer to Mars, and in 50 million years, it will either collide with the planet or break up into a planetary ring. ये हम फोबस के बारे में हमने कुछ जाना है, इसका स्ट्रक्चर तो होगा नहीं। सो अब हम चलते हैं उसके दूसरे प्लैनेट डीमोस पे। क्लिक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है इस पर को? 2 मिनट। ओके, क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे। मैं अभी आपको मिलती हूँ 2 मिनट में। ओके, क्लिक हो गया। विजिट। ओके, तो ये मेरे को कुछ कुछ पोटैटो जैसा लग रहा है। ओके, इंसाइक्लोपीडिया पॉज करके देख लीजिए। Deimos is the outermost and smaller of the two natural satellites of the planet Mars, so small that it could easily fit inside a medium-sized crater on Earth's moon. Moving away, Deimos is slowly moving farther away from Mars. It is believed that it will eventually leave the orbit of Mars. चलो, हमने इसके बारे में जान लिया है। अब चलते हैं हम सीरीज़ पर। ये रहा। ओके, लेट्स गो। इसका भी स्ट्रक्चर नहीं, क्योंकि ये भी एक तरह का ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट एंड ये भी एस्ट्रॉयड बेल्ट में से ही है। तो हम इंसाइक्लोपीडिया इसकी देख लेते हैं। Ceres is the only dwarf planet located in the solar system. Although it is the smallest dwarf planet, Ceres is still largest object in the asteroid belt. So it is the smallest dwarf planet. Ceres is still the largest object in the asteroid belt. It accounts for nearly 1/3 of the mass of the asteroid belt. Discovery. Ceres was discovered in late 18th century, and for 50 years it was classified as a planet. After the discovery of more bodies between Mars and Jupiter, it was demoted to status of an asteroid. Since 2006, Ceres is classified as a dwarf planet. Water. Approximately 1/4 of the weight is considered to be water, which would give Ceres more fresh water than there is on Earth. It is possible that Ceres has layer of liquid water in its interior. Mission. The NASA Dawn spacecraft first to explore Ceres due to abundance of ice and water and minerals. Ceres will save a potential site of manned landings as well as launching points for a